All right, thank you so much, Mike. Start off the new year with your best skin ever. I like that plan. Dr. Sherry Ingraham with Advanced Dermatology is here sharing those bad skin habits to break and how to look our very best. Welcome, thanks for being here. What are some big mistakes you see as a dermatologist that people are doing to their faces?
The number one thing I think is self-treating, which is picking. So everybody loves to pick, and I think that's the number one thing I tell my patients is leave it alone. There are so many products on the market now that are designed to keep your hands off your face, and one of my favorite I actually have on, you can't even see, Neutrogena makes these fabulous little hydrocolloid pads you can buy in a kit, and you can't even see it on there. So if you have a pimple, you can't take your hands off. At bedtime, put it on there, put it on all of them. Wake up, it helps them heal overnight. If you also tend to pick your scalp, your arms, other places, things that are moist, thick, like Vaseline, Aquaphor. I love this Cicaplast, which you can get at Walgreens, CVS, a drugstore. Put it on the spots you can't stop picking. It feels moist and gooey and you don't want to pick it anymore, but it also has a protective layer, a barrier layer that will help it heal and hopefully keep it from getting infected, because every time you pick something, there's a risk of infecting it.
Oh, good idea. Now, I can't help but notice your electronics. How does that come into play with problems with our skin?
I notice patients will come in and they'll have more acne on the left side of their face, and I'll say, do you sit with your cell phone like this, or do you sit with your hand like this? Well, we can only imagine what is on our cell phones, right? So what I tell patients, especially teens, to do is wear some type of headset, okay? Don't talk all day long on the phone like this. Not only does the blue light that the phone emits break down collagen and cause skin damage, aging, but also it causes pressure, and there's a true thing called pressure acne. So sleep on a silk pillowcase, keep the phone off your face.
I bet not many people have ever thought that blue light can age you. I think that's so important to remember. It's just something you don't think about, and we're looking at a screen half the day.
Which is why you need your sunscreen.
Okay, you brought in all kinds of products to give us an idea of how to break bad habits and how to make them better, including how to clean our face. I'm sure that there's probably a lot of scrubbing going on.
One of the biggest things I think we all fall back upon when we're tired is, oh, do I really have to go take all this off before bed? You do. Even if you don't wear makeup, you're a guy, you're out in the environment, you're exposed to all kinds of pollutants in the air, you're exposed to the pollutants combining with fuel exhaust, combining with UV light. We need to remove that at night, and the bacteria in our skin. If you are tired, one of my favorite things to do is just grab this La Roche spray. You can get it at the drugstore. Spray a cotton pad, remove your makeup. Micellar water is a trick that everybody loves. It will remove makeup, it will remove eye makeup, it will remove everything. You just get a pad. So what I'll often do is do micellar water first, finish with this. You don't even have to wash your face with soap and water. Another thing I see that's a common issue is people over exfoliate. They're like, I want to get smoother, brighter, younger skin. Let me just scrub the heck out of it. Well, you break your tiny little capillaries, those little red blood vessels you may see on your face. You're really getting particulates, rubbing them on the skin and making micro tears in the skin. So the best thing to do is find an exfoliating cleanser that doesn't have beads, that's just a product like this LHA product from, it's really a toner from SkinCeuticals. Again, you can spray this, so you could do your water and then an LHA or glycolic wipe, and now you've gotten that glycolic extra treatment on your skin.
And then the sun breaks down so much in our skin, so you always a constant reminder about how important it is to do sunscreen, men and women.
It is, and there's something for everyone. We have, if you're acne prone, there's products from Neutrogena, Clear Skin, La Roche. I love tinted sunscreens, of course, and they block blue light the best. We talked about blue light. Tinted sunscreen blocks blue light.
Hey, that's only the tinted one?
Tinted blocks it the best. The iron oxide that is in the tint is what truly blocks the blue light.
There you have it. Dr. Ingraham, always good to talk to you. Thanks for coming in from Advanced Dermatology and giving us some good and affordable tips. I love it.